Halai ko ade tahanya I poe Regina oda pe ta petekorga le akebra city costle health koya da pe te ko ba khale kasumenya kho ta ki ta pha age klo dile mono awe me da ta so de Regina la lanwibe ta so ki to kichi da ke bi la ta show dole awe costle ga amina le jo federal mono tablet.
So we were talking about if there's anything else to say.
Yes.
I just want to touch base with the community again. We had good discussions about your community joining the Regina Multicultural Council, joining the Mosaic. And I am the president of Regina Multicultural Council, and I'm working with the community to give your community a bigger reach, promoting the community to tell your story, your culture, your costume, your traditions, and that is important for us as a larger community to help your community to grow, to give your community exposure, and I believe Mosaic is that channel, that platform to give you more exposure. And so, unfortunately, with the COVID, it kind of slowed us down. There was no Mosaic this year. There's not much really going on. So we're going to have to restart everything once this COVID is done for next year. But I would like to have a conversation with the community, to invite the community, and at the table, we were at the table, we had a discussion, and your community was very interested in talking about it and maybe setting up a pavilion. So that would be good. I'm Polish born, and the Polish community has been involved with the Mosaic since for 53 years. And that's how we as community share each other's stories, share each other's cultures, help each other to reach and reconnect and connect with other cultures to learn. And that's how we learn. That's how we become a diverse and as an ethnic community. We grow and we learn from each other. That is the biggest way for us to move as community, as an immigrant community, to show the Regina community how we are active, we give back to the community, we work hard, and we contribute to the fabric and the beauty of our city. And Mosaic will give that exposure. It's important to, and it's good to come to because you have 23, you have 50 different ethnic groups that are around, and you get to know one another, and you get to then network together, and that's what all that is all about. So, as the president of Regina Multicultural Council, we did start the conversation for your community to come into Mosaic. Unfortunately, this year, COVID, we weren't able to continue that dialogue, that conversation. We weren't able to, show you or expose your community to other communities, who you are. And I mean, you've been strong here. You've been working hard. You have a growing community, but we need to help you to grow your community even more. And so that's where we just have a conversation about. As the president of Regina Multicultural Council, I've worked on the ethnic diversity, on introducing the community, the immigrant community, to the city of Regina. As an immigrant myself, I came out here as a 15-year-old boy. I didn't speak any English, and I understand exactly what it takes and how much work one needs to do to integrate it into the fabric of this city, of the community, and still keeping your language, tradition, customs, and not being afraid of who you are, not be able to, and to be able to show that. And I'm proud of that fact, is that I still speak the language. I speak Polish. I speak English, of course. I write and read in Polish. So I retain that. And my custom traditions, I retain that. I teach my children, and I teach others to work together to grow. So again, thank you to your community for inviting me to all your functions, being at your New Year's and all different activities. And I'm looking forward to work with your community again, and looking forward to working with your president, to help him grow and help your community grow together. we make a difference. And that's why I'm here today. Not just today. I've been around for a few years with your community, but I'm here today to ask your president to help me to ask the community to support me on November 9. And again, working together. Thank you.
Aware Abia da Lejon Federal aware aware perkara perketiba aware ago le ule carry area aware poko pala ura citizen ti depane November 9 poko level ko ga de aware hunter pahade pa candidate ko de bluga bona ki hada aware pahade pasinya lo basa phaji pama ko da lo de aware pata lo da le mo da aware pa kia tahiku pane tira 24 hours la mo ko da le pa chomo le pa vore te komaba aware u pa vo pala u ta lo ti de phai na do hini aware Glade Carry area pine le north to pa le u pa lo ne phi le ne lo si aware do ni so to le the Home Depot u ta lo ti de pha this so ji u ta lo ti de pha like le pa vo si ko de lo mo no aware ta chou ta me ba vo awareเราใส่ขึ้นมาเริ่มทานใหญ่สิกว่าบาทได้แต่กลูตักโซติลพาเอาไว้มินเนตาพามาเดตันกลูเทอรี่ดาวไว้มินเนตาพาดาวไว้กินในมากระดับที่มีเนี่ยลุยนี่เอาไว้แต่คุณทดลองในบางครั้งซิตี้บุลมาตุมีเลยเอาไว้ได้ provision ว่าเกิดอะไร city regional เรามาเนาะเพราะฉะนั้นอาสุภาษากว่าเด้แต่โชคตามไปบ้านโอเคเลยโวลต์ก็เอาไว้มาเนาะ
That's good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you.